live! Good evening, everyone. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Welcome to Coaching for the Soul. This is Coaching Thursday. So, you got the smell. Okay, you're so happy with that. So, welcome back. Okay, so welcome back kay Jean. Okay, Melanie, from Season 1. Tama ba? So, it's been a long time since 2020. Okay, so if you are one person who've been joining us in the past, okay, Decaf Coffee Republic have celebrated 8-year anniversary last November. And so, if you haven't been here for quite some time, we invite you to join us back. So, we are still up and alive, and this is our new season. When I say new season, we are operating from 3 p.m. to 3 a.m. So, we are still up all night, and if you have been with us through the first season, we're in at 10 p.m., no, nagmamadali na tayo magsara here in our new house. Okay, actually, hindi na po ito bago. We've been here for about 5 years. We can stay up all night, okay, until 3 a.m. Okay, so, and, okay, libre ang parking lot. Yan, di ba? So, we have a very huge parking lot, and it's open and it's free. And we also have Piaggio Ape. So, just in case you're here, no? Mamaya, pwede ninyong dalawin si Piaggio Ape dyan sa baba, and you can have pictorial, you can have your coffee downstairs. So, if you are one person who cannot sleep through the night, if you've been thinking a lot of things, or maybe you just want to cool down. How many of you realize that, no? So, minsan, passing through the midweek, ang dami mong iniisip and feeling mo, parang matatapos na naman yung linggo at hindi ko pa rin natatapos sa mga dapat kong gawin. And you want to have someone, okay, someone to listen, host a space for you, think through with you, and maybe just like listen. Okay? So, kung yun lang hinahanap mo, Decaf Coffee Republic is the place to be. So, we're up all night until 3 a.m. And in case, okay, you come over and you want to stay for a little while, don't worry, we will accommodate you. So, we are located inside Pioneer Center compound, okay, along Pioneer Road, corner Brixtons and United Streets, Capitolio, Pasig City. We are just across Bayanihan Center or the iconic Unilab. Okay, so kung kayo po ay nasa area, we are welcoming you, we are open, and we are really asking you to come over, have a conversations with us, have a moment with yourself, okay? So more than the coffee, more than the drinks, more than our sumptuous, okay, food. So if you're looking for something to shift through the night, ayaw mo masyadong kumain kasi feeling mo paggabi na dapat light ka na. So we offer, okay, plant-based, okay? So kahit burger, may plant-based dito. So safe na safe ka, okay? Kung chips din ang hanap po, meron din kaming veggie chips. Yan, meron kaming veggie chicharon. So why I'm telling you all of this? Because oftentimes we believe that an access to the things that we want in life is kind of hard. How many of you gets that? Ba, yung mga gusto mo sa buhay, bakit ba parang ang hirap kunin? Sino dito? Yes. Hashtag yes. Sino dito nakaka-connect ka? Okay? And how many of you realize na may mga bagay kang pinapanood, tinitingnan mo, di ba? Tinitingnan mo lang from afar, and meron kang ganitong thoughts. If only I can get there. Sana all. Pero dito yan yung sinasabi mo, di ba? So, if you scroll through your social media, may nakita kang place, may nakita kang group, may nakita kang network, may nakita kang location, may nakita kang masasaya, sana all. And how many of you realize, deep down within you, hindi ito inggit, deep down in you, meron kang aspiration na sana ako din. Come on, hashtag me. Okay lang umamin. Okay lang umamin. This is your night, okay? So, we've been talking about, okay, so, this is Coaching for the Soul, and we just resumed this, and I'm going through an 8-week, no? So, this is an 8-part series on wealth accelerators versus wealth drains, okay? So, sino dito, nung na-realize mo, okay, na gusto mong yumaman, at nakita mo, ang dami mong wealth drainers. Diba? Yung bang, konti na nga, pumapatak na nga lang yung dumarating, mas malawak pa o mas marami pa yung lagaslas. Sino dito connect? Patak-patak yung grasya, pero yung paglabas, tonelada. Okay? So, mas marami yung drainers mo, okay, that drains your wealth, kesa dun sa accelerating your wealth. Hashtag connect. Kung ikaw yan, o kaya hindi ikaw yan, si Day, di ba? May kakilala, kakaibigan ka, can you please do me a favor and share this link? Okay? So, this is the third installment. The first installment, just in case hindi nyo po napanood, the first installment, we talk about what? Proximity. Okay? Meron tayong concentric centers. Okay? Pinag-usapan natin yung mga circles. Okay? Yung tatlong circles na yan. And you would realize, okay, na yung mga nakapalibot sa'yo, starting with your space, with your relationship, and what you allow to get inside of you, really, okay, either accelerate your wealth or drain your wealth. The other Thursday, okay, of course, we took a break during the Holy Week. The other Thursday, we talk about what? Relationships. Alright, so we talk about relationships. And if you are just joining me for the first time, okay, I am Master Coach A, I'm a coaching entrepreneur, and since 2017, okay, since 2017, I've been helping people to really look into what they want to do in life. Okay? How many of you realize na maybe hindi mo gustong mag-coach? Okay? Ano ba yung mga coaching? And yung 2017, not a lot of people understand what's coaching. Ano ba yung coaching niyan? But one thing I know, many of you wants to help. Okay? And many of you also, maybe you don't want to help. Pero ikaw yung laging takbuhan. Ikaw yung laging iniistorbo. Ikaw yung laging, alam mo yung feeling mo, takbuhan ka ng bayan, takbuhan ka ng pamilya, takbuhan ka sa office, you are the go-to person. And naturally, you are the person who comes to their mind kapag may problema sila dito. Kung ikaw yan, hashtag me. Okay? And many of you suffered from burnout, anxiety. Bakit? Kasi hindi mo masolve yung problema ng ibang tao. Sino dito hashtag me? Pinoblema mo ang problema ng bayan. Okay? Yung problema nila, oy, pumasok ka, wala kang problema. Pag uwi mo, marami kang problema. Tapos pag inisa-isa mo, parang wala ka naman talagang problema. Sino may problema? Si Dave. Pero yung problema ni Dave, problema mo din. Yes? Yes. Okay. Tapos, natuto ka rin magbigay ng unsolicited advice. Okay, hindi ka naman tinatanong. Pero ang lakas mong makapayo. Tapos, pag hindi ka sinunod, galit ka. Sino dito? Yes, ang sagot mo. You know, one of the things that I really receive as a blessing in coaching profession, hindi natin problema yung problema ng ibang tao. That's the beauty. You know what? You can help people through a process that all you have to do is to hold the process. How many of you realize that? If you hold the process in coaching, I don't know if you've heard of this, if you're new to coaching, we don't give advice, by the way. We don't have answers. We have questions. And why do we ask questions? Hindi po dahil nakikimarites kami. We ask questions because we want you to hear yourself. Sa totoo lang, kayo po yung may sagot sa problema nyo, hindi kami. But you need somebody to hold the space for you. You want somebody to process you, okay? Or process to how you think. Or maybe you want someone to be your just, yung tinatawag nating safe space. Sino dito, me? Ang sagot siya. Medyo tatahimik tayo ng konti kapag yan ang mga katanungan natin, okay? So, if you are one person and you believe that you have what it takes to be a blessing to other people, I invite you to look into the coaching professions. Okay? So, Melanie, baka this time gusto mo nang tingnan. Di ba? So, di ba, Jean, baka gusto nyo nang tingnan. Okay? So, one of the blessing of life coaching is, number one, you become the product of your being, of your product. No? In coaching, you cannot coach without being a product of coaching. So, naturally, you are the recipient of the blessing of the profession. Okay? So, in church, there's such a thing as discipleship. Meron ding discipleship coaching. Pero ganun pa din eh, di ba? Nakikialam pa din tayo. Di ba? Medyo, feeling natin, ang galing kasi natin. Oh, medyo tatama to. Pero di ba, galing din po ako dyan. I knew how it felt. Di ba? Yung frustrated na frustrated. Bakit ba hindi kasi nakikinig to? Bakit ba kasi? And all of the bakit. Now, in life coaching, we believe that one person or the person have what it takes. We honor the capacity of the person to process their own thoughts, okay, with our help. So, yun ang ginagawa natin dito. We process the thoughts. We help them process their thoughts. And we co-partner, okay? Kaya kami sa certification program namin, co-actively co-create, it means we are partnering and co-creating the answer, the solutions, or the results that our clients want. Now, just in case you want to look into our profession, okay? I invite you to take a look at what we're doing and the next bootcamp, coaching bootcamp is happening on, kailan? Alam nyo ba? June 7 and 14. 14 is my birthday. So the second day is my birthday. So I'm back. I'm gonna be working on my birthday. So I hope you're joining me on that season. So, just in case also, you are interested, paano ba magsimula dito sa amin? For now, it's simpler. When I say simpler, okay, if you are one person and you're looking into your gifts, okay, so we are advancing coaching your gifts. So, coach your gifts. So, dito may gifts ka. Meron. Okay, so how many of you realize if you can coach someone through your gifts, okay, it naturally flows. Okay, gift mo yun eh, hindi nauubos. Hindi ka napapagod. Diba? Kung gift mong kumanta, kung may gift ka in singing, ano nangyayari? You can sing all you want. Yeah. Yeah. And you're good. You're good. You're happy. Diba? You're joyful. Hindi ka napapagod. So imagine if you have every lyrics or every signature music that you share, you're able to make someone stop and think. How's that? Think about it. Imagine if you're a creative person, you can draw, you can paint, all right? You can create something, and with every piece that you create, someone else can will stop, pause, and think through the things in their lives. Ganda, di ba? Walang masyadong effort, and when I say walang masyadong effort, kasi hindi ka nauubusan. You know why? Bakit tayo nag-e-effort? Kasi nauubos. Tama? Pag hindi natural sa'yo, nauubos. Diba? Naghahanap ka ng lakas para ma-replenish. Pero pag gift, natural kasi yan, nabigay ni God. So, hindi nauubos. Diba? Parang yung kapag bukal ng tubig, natural yung source ng tubig mo, hindi nauubos. Make sense? Diba? Pero pag man-made, kapag pinupur mo siya, diba? Ano nangyari? Pag hindi ka nakapag-igib, ubos yung tubig mo. Make sense? So, we're advancing that. Now, right now, our certification process go through, okay, this is a CPD accredited course with 40 credit units. You have one part that is online, okay? You go through it on your time. You go through it at your gusto. You go through it according to your pace. And the other portions of the certification is the bootcamp, the coaching bootcamp, which happens now. The next bootcamp is happening on June 7 and June 14. So if you are interested, please connect with Master E, 093991922235. Yan, pwede mong kubisaduhin. Narinig kita kanina eh. Medyo nagbakal tayo doon. Okay, so 093991922235. But better yet, why don't you come over in our coaching hub here at Nicap Coffee Republic, have a conversations with our coaches here, and maybe you want to try also our coaching cards. Okay? So if you are one person, iniisip mo, paano ba ako magsisimula? Okay, we have frameworks, we have methodology, we have a lot of things, but one thing that's very unique with us, we have a lot of coaching cards that can make you get started immediately. Okay? Saba? So now, one of the challenges of a person entering a new profession is building a network or getting into the network that would help them build their new profession. Sino dito, gets mo yan? Diba? Yung, paano bang magsimula ng bago, okay? So, how do you start a new business? How do you start a new profession and build your network? Now, how many of you realize that most of the time, the network that you are touching, the network that you are engaging are common? Hindi na nagbago. Okay? So, ano yung mga common? Kung doktor ka, kaninong network yung gusto mong i-touch? Kanino? Doktor din. Tama ba? Pag engineer ka, sino gusto mo? Engineer. Now, make sense for a moment. Make sense for a moment. Kung engineer ka at magko-coaching ka, tas ang gusto mong i-touch yung mga engineer, ano mangyayari? Ano mangyayari? Resistance. Kasi ang nakapangalan sa'yo ay engineer. You are expected to perform according to your profession, which is known to the network na gusto mong pasukin. Who's making sense on this? Come on, come on. Pero yung tanong mo kasi lagi, paano nga ako papasok sa industriya na hindi ko industriya? O, di tanungin kita, nakapasok ka nga sa industriya mo. Naniwala ba sila sa pagiging coach mo? Halimbawa din, o tanggalin ko muna yung pagiging coach. Halimbawa, nasa doktor ka. All of a sudden, gusto mo ng pastry. You love baking. Madali bang i-switch ang merkado na bibili sila sa iyo ng pastry versus pagiging doktor mo? Mas madali? Mas madali? Talaga ba? Mas madali bang magbenta sa kapwa doktor? Paano kapag kaharap mo yung pasyente? Ano sasabihin ng pasyente mo? Ano ka ba? Doktor ka ba o baker? Napahinto kayo, di ba? Think about it. Most of the time, you want, okay, to access market networks that is already open and available. And obvious. Sino dito gets mo ko? Kung artist ka, kung singer ka, ano yung open network na available sa'yo? Entertainment industry. And you believe it's easy. You believe it's obvious, right? Now, it can be easy, but it may not give you the biggest opportunity that is available in closed networks that you can open. Think about it. Think about it. Most of the time, we want connections that primarily open or a product of what we say luck or privilege. So kung artista ka, kumakanta ka, if you're acting, the entertainment industry is open to you. Yes? So, tagalin muna natin yung coaching. Gawin muna natin yung open field sa inyo. Tama po ba? But what about you using that talent and try to position yourself where your talent, your natural gift as an artist can open networks? Think about it. One of the things that you are missing is the concept of opportunity topology. Yan. Opportunity topology, this is the invisible landscape where opportunities flow. So, gamitin pa rin natin yung same perspective. Kung artist ka, and you start performing before doctors, you start performing before engineers. Think about it. Versus performing before fellow artists. Ang daming sasabihin. Kasi pare-pareho kayo. Tama po ba? So, if you want to open closed networks, okay, ang question mo, paano? Paano? Question mo ba yon? Okay? So, put it in the chat box. I can read that after the live. Put it in the chat box. Anong profession ngayon? Anong industry? Anong negosyo ang gusto mong pasukin? Okay? Na feeling mo close. Put it in the chat box. Buksan natin. Okay? I'm gonna give you, okay, four primary pathways na pwede ninyong ma-access itong mga close network opportunities na to. Okay? So, isipin mo, sino ba yung mga network na gusto mong mabuksan? So, kung coach ka, okay, where do you go? You naturally go to your own industry. Tama? Tama po ba? So, think about an industry na hindi mo industriya. Okay? So, when I started life coaching, okay, and many of you who've started with me knows this, I turned my back from where I was, where I'm known. Wala po akong kasamang coach dito na nanggaling sa dati kong industriya. Wala. Wala. Hindi po ako pumunta sa marketing. Hindi po ako bumalik sa consultancy. Hindi po ako pumunta sa trade. Hindi po ako pumunta sa retail. Hindi ako nagpunta sa industriya na bukas sa akin. I cracked the code for industries that was closed. Yes? Okay lang yan. Okay. So, gusto nyo bang malaman? 4 pathways. Ready? Ready. Okay. So, meron na ba? Meron kayo dapat nasa isip. So, meron ba kayong mga naiisip na industriya? Meron ba kayong mga naiisip na network na gusto nyong buksan? Okay, isulat nyo na. Tingnan natin tong 4 na to. Saan nyo ba gustong mag-crack? Okay, sulat nyo nga. Kasi pag industriya nyo, bukas na yan eh. Diba?
Never na-open pa.
Yes, it's closed. You consider it closed now. Para tingnan nyo kung mag-work. Okay? By the way, okay, yung toolkit na available, okay, you can message Master E, okay, or kapag na-release at na-publish na po namin yung YouTube versions ito, we upload the recording of this in YouTube. In the YouTube, sa caption po, makikita po ninyo yung downloadable link para ma-download po ninyo yung toolkit. But while waiting for that, you can message Master E 0939-919-2235 so that you get a copy of the toolkit. So may toolkit po tayo ngayon. So ang toolkit po natin ngayon is the access protocol. So paano ba bubuksan? So in the toolkit, meron po tayong step by step para itong mga pinapangarap yung network mabuksan. Okay? But what I'm gonna do now is to give you an overview, a top view of that 30,000 foot view para matest ninyo, will this work? So para makita nyo kung mag-work, dapat meron kayong nasulat dyan. Okay? So chat box, ilan ang mga networks na gusto mo sanang mapasok? Okay? So if you are a coach, or you are a retailer, you are an entrepreneur, you are a business owner, meron kang merkadong gustong pasukin. Put it in the chat box, or kung medyo hindi ka pa ready, i-share dyan, okay, lagay mo lang sa notes mo. Gusto kong makapasok sa network na to. Okay? So, if you're a coach, gusto mo po makapasok sa network ng mga dentist. Yan. If you are a coach, gusto mo makapasok sa network ng mga doktor, sa network ng mga architect. Yan. So, ano yung network na gusto mong pasukin? We're talking about network. Meron na ba? Meron na? Master Coach, meron na ba? Damihan mo. Network ng mga ano? Ng mga anak niya. Okay. Okay, so ready na ba kayo? 4 pathways. Test po natin. Okay, test natin. Okay, number 1, okay, number 1 is the pathway of value first positioning. Value first positioning. It means creating a value before requesting access. Madalas kasi, ang ginagawa natin, we want to get through the access, okay? Gusto natin pumasok agad, gusto natin mag-apply, gusto natin pumasok, gusto natin mag-offer, bang, bang, bang. Now, the first pathway is, you create, okay, value first. Mamaya, dadaanan ko to ulit, babalikan ko to, kung ano ang mga pwede ninyong gawin to create value. But I'm gonna give you the 4. Okay? Para kita nyo na meron kayong 4, although I'm gonna focus on the value creation. But you have 4. Okay? The first one is value first positioning, means you create the value before you get the access. Number 2. Number 2 is bridge leverage. Ano yung bridge leverage? Using existing relationship. Remember, going back to episode 1, may mga relationships kayo. Ano yung mga relationship yung parang wala pang ginagawa sa inyo? Natatandaan nyo? Yung parang neutral lang? Neutral. Okay? Si neutral. Okay? Si neutral. Di ba may mga relationship kayong neutral? Think about how this network, okay, how the network of your neutral can bridge you para maging accelerator nyo sila. Isipin nyo, yung mga taong hindi naman kayo dinidrain, hindi rin naman kayo iniinkrisan. Di ba may network sila? Balik kayo doon sa assignment nyo. Meron ba? Okay. O, eto na lang, test natin. Meron ba kayong 10 taong kilala? Yes. Sobra, I'm sure. Okay. So, Naku, parang nahirapan ko. Coach Orville, 10 lang.
Hindi, nasa 12 na ako.
Ay, nasa 12 ka na. Meron ba kayong 10 taong kikilala? Okay,
Yes po.
let's test this. Yung 10 taong kakilala ninyo, anong network meron sila? Huwag yung obvious, ha? Kasi kung katrabaho mo yan, huwag mo sabihin, eto, opisina namin, obvious na yun eh, yung close. Tingin nyo anong network meron sila. Diba? Ano, Coach Candy?
Meron ako network.
Nang patay?
Kasi negosyo nila. Which parang naisip ko, oo nga no, kasi madami.
Grieve. Grieve coaching. Grieve coaching.
They eventually develop mga depression. Oo nga no. Sabi ko nga no.
Balance.
Balancing.
Make sense? Okay. So, balik natin. Okay? So, practical to, 10. Yung 10 nasulat mo, okay? Anong network meron sila? Huwag yung obvious. O, yun, tulad nyo, network ng patay. Patay po, ibig sabihin funeral service eh. Diba? Network ng flowers. Meron ka dun eh.
Oo, ano?
Ay, oo nga.
Hindi obvious. Pero yung
Hindi obvious. See? It's close. It's close, right? Pero opportunity yon. Make sense? Are you getting this? Kasi nandun kayo sa obvious eh. Alam niyo yung obvious naturally, andyan yung obvious na nga yan eh. Eh, how many of you realize yung obvious yun pa yung ayaw kang pansinin? No, medyo masakit yon. Pero di ba totoo? Pambihira ka naman, dati libre lang ang advice. Ngayon, nagpo-coach ka na, babayaran kita. Tama? Para din yung ano eh. Alam nyo, hindi lang po yan sa coaching. Kung engineer ka or interior decorator ka, okay? Dati naman, binibigyan mo ko ng advice. Dati, tinutulungan mo ko mag-ayos ng bahay. Bakit ngayon, babayaran na kita? Pero pag hindi mo ka-network, okay, kapag hindi siya open, bago siya, definitely, pagpasok mo, professional ka, babayaran ka. Tama po ba? Is this making sense to you? Okay, so, yung 10, okay, so yun yung sinasabi natin, bridge leverage. Ano, Coach Candy? Tuwang-tuwa ka. Siyempre, di ba, pag nawawalan ng mahal sa buhay, nalulungkot, kailangan ng kausap, nagigrieve, kailangan ng coach, nagiging anxious. Number 3, proximity creation. It means positioning yourself where network members gather. Okay. Dun sa lagi mong pinupuntahan. Sa lagi mong tinatambayan. Okay? Sa lagi mong sinasamahan. Kung gumigimik ka, nagpapahinga ka, nagmi-moment ka, or may proximity ba sa network na gusto mo? Think about it. Proximity. Number 4, okay? Ito po yung panghuli, okay? Ito yung tinatawag natin contribution-based access. It means, okay, you are one person who can contribute, okay? You earn access kasi yung profession mo o yung kaya mong gawin, na-demonstrate mo yung expertise mo at kailangan. Okay. So, 4, ano yung una? Value first positioning. You create a value before you enter. Number 2 is you bridge leverage. Yung mga tao na nasa buhay po ninyo, gamitin po ninyo sila. Okay, tingnan po ninyo yung mga network na meron sila. Number 3 is proximity creation. Ibig sabihin, nandun ka in a space where you naturally get access to them. Ikaw, Coach Orville, ang dami mo access dito. Kayo ni Coach C, dami yung access dito. Iba-iba. Dito sa DCAP, marami pong access dito ng iba't ibang networks. Okay? Yung isa is contribution-based access. It means that you're able to show your expertise and therefore, okay, you have access to this kind of network, to this network kasi kailangan din yung expertise mo. Now, what I'm gonna focus next is the value proposition design or what you do to create value. Okay, doon ako sa number 1. Kasi yung number 1, yun yung pag na-perfect mo, you can open any networks. Ready po kayo? I'm gonna have 5. 5 strategies po. Okay, so if you have questions, please type in your questions. I'm gonna answer that after the live. Okay, but Coach Candy, si Master Coach Jasmine, okay, yung mga coaches po natin, nandyan po and they can answer you. Okay, so number 1. Okay, so 5 po. 5 po yung strategy na pwede ninyong gamitin. Okay, I would say, if you're able to use and strategize these 5 ways, you can enter the network through value creation. So this is how you create value. The first is network-centric benefit. Now, how many of you can connect? Yung common strategy, pag pumapasok sa network, it's about you. Sinasabi mo, o yung mga pumapasok sa atin, okay, marami sa amin dito nag-offer ng services, it's all about them. I can do this. I'm good at this. I will do this, this, and this. It's about you. Now, if you want to create value, you have to look into the network first. Okay, it has to be network-centric. Okay, so one of the things that I was doing, okay, and once in a while when I have, you know, some moments na kaya, okay, is I would go to groups na member ako. Okay? And you know what I would do? I will read through questions. I would read through, di ba may mga pinopost na questions or may pinopost sila ng mga thoughts and all of that. You know what I would do? I would spend time making a comment, making the person validated, feel validated, or answering questions without offering my service. Okay? So, kung kayo po na-meet niyo ako sa group, you know that I never, after 7 years, never po akong nag-promote ng coaching service ko. Never. I never did that. Okay? So, if I'm part of your network, you know that I would naturally do, pupunta ako sa group, titingin ako ng question, sasagot ako. What does it mean? I give value. Okay? And normally, ito yung strategy ko. Pupunta ako dun sa mga taong ang sipag mag-post pero walang pumapansin. And you know what happens? Naturally, I will get private message and say, thank you. Thank you for connecting. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for saying this. Thank you, whatever. And what has happened? I started a conversation. Think about it. Pero madalas, ang ginagawa po ninyo, pumupunta kayo sa group, o hindi po kayo si Day, pumupunta sa group, nagpo-post, di ba? Sa Coach A Coaching Community, ang daming bago dyan, pagpasok dyan, ang unang-unang ginagawa, pinopost lahat ng courses nila, pinopost lahat ng mga ino-offer nila. By the way, okay? So please understand, we are a community of coaching professionals and I have certified over 500 coaches and I have trained over 1,000 coaches. At lahat na po ng topic ng coaching, meron kami. Lahat po. Okay? So I'm into mental health, I'm into relationship. Alam niyo, I've been in the profession, and if you look into the topics na meron po kami, I have over 1,000 topics. Alam niyo po kung anong kulang kami? Yung mga taong sincerely interested to serve. To serve. And how do I know you're sincerely wanting to serve? You listen to what our community needs. You hear what we're saying. And that's one strategy that brought me where I am. Okay? So I am one person, and my tribe, my people knows this. I never struggled getting clients. Quite the opposite. I don't offer my service. I don't. What I do, I serve. I listen. I go through groups, I go through pages, and I create content for the gaps that I'm able to see. Pag pumunta po kayo sa Master Coach A, pag pumunta po kayo sa Substack, pag pumunta po kayo sa YouTube channel ko, you will find varied topics. And you know why? Because that is a response to the people who have particular needs. That's why I'm able to open a lot of networks, okay, apart from coaching, because my intention is always to serve and create value. Now, hear me out on this. Not because you're creating content, it means you're creating value. Let me repeat that. Not because you're creating content, you're creating value. A lot of people go through social media, create content, and they're so obsessed with followers. They're so obsessed with likes. They're so obsessed with shares. Don't get me wrong, in Rise Up Creatives, we help you create content, okay, that connects, that converts. But what I'm saying, if you want to create value, you will not be focused on the likes, you will not be focused on the share, you will not be focused on your followers. Your focus is, in that particular content, is there at least one person who received a word, who received a aha moment, who received that, yung ganon, at may nagbago. Meron ba yon? You know what I always wanted when I make posts is somebody personally messaging me and telling me thank you. Actually, mas mahirap po pag binabasa yung mga 20 na mga comments, lalo na kung may mga comments kang 1,000. Alam niyo po, yung mga 1,000, 2,000 na comments, binabayaran po yon. Okay? So, kahit po mga 1 million comments, kaya po ninyo, binabayaran po yon. So, kahit may 1 million comments ka, kung hindi ka nila binabayaran, wala pa rin pong silbi yon sa profession mo. Okay? What you wanted is, even if isang tao lang yung mag-connect sa'yo, but that person truthfully absorb your content, marinate your content, and respond to your content. Yes? Pwede din mag-comment. Meron ba mga comments dyan? Hello? Ang ganda ng mga ngiti nyo. Okay? So, be sincere. Be honest. Be truthful. Okay? I will always say, okay, so lagi kong sinasabi sa mga katribo ko, okay, sa mga estudyante ko, needy is creepy. Okay? So don't go out in there and just and appear so needy of a client or somebody hiring you or inviting you. Needy is creepy. Go out there and sincerely wants to create value. Create value. Yeah. So, whether, you know, if you want to be invited as a speaker, you wanted to be asked how much is your rate and all of that, create value. When people see your value and it connects with what they want, they naturally ask you for it. And that's sweet. Trust me. Number 2, unique contribution. Okay, so here's the thing. If you are entering a group, like for example, you are a speaker or you're a teacher and you're entering a group of teachers or speakers, okay? Yun pa rin yung gusto mong network. Okay, sige. Good. But here's the thing. What's gonna be the unique offer? Ano yung unique contributions na pwede mong ibigay? One of the things that I can uniquely offer, even if you have been certified by other organizations, just in case hindi ko kayo estudyante. You know what? One thing that I can help you do is productizing your coaching. The thing here is, hear me out on this, okay? When you go out there and you tell a client, let me coach you, you know what? That's vague. People don't understand. What's coaching? Okay, I can help you productize. I have a YouTube content on that, right? But productizing. Learn how to productize coaching so that people understand what is it that you're offering. Okay? So it's just like when people tell you, I want confidence coaching. That's big. Natawa ka, Coach Orville. Alam mo yan? That's big. Confidence coaching. Grief coaching. That's big. What's the unique? If you are offering Grief coaching. O yan, Coach Candy, gusto mo yan. Grief coaching. What exactly are you offering? What's that unique thing? Right? One of the unique things that you can do if you want to pat that grieving as is help your clients unpack the pack things ng mga namatay nilang kasama. Mahirap yun. Unpack things na nakapack. Napakahirap magkalkal ng aparador, ng mga gamit nila. Emotional process yun. Come on now. See, that's something tangible. Are you getting me on this? That's unique. So, huwag mo lang sabihin, tutulungan kitang makalimot. Tutulungan kitang sumaya. It's not gonna work.
Ayaw.
Bakit gusto kong makalimot? Diba? How many of you gets that? Am I connecting, everyone? Yeah, that's unique. So I want you to look into what's gonna be the unique proposition, what's gonna be your unique offering that is so tangible, so crispy, and your client will know. I do mental health coaching. I have a 1-year program on mental health. And one of the things that mga mental health clients ko nandito, no? Tama? One of the things that I think my clients would remember is meeting their, inner rebel. Inner rebel. That's the midway of the program. And I would tell my client, if nakalusot ka dyan, perfect. So it's the inner rebel. Okay? So maraming tao tinatakbuhan nila yung inner rebel. Pero yung clients ko sa mental health coaching, inner rebel is so sweet. Okay? Okay, they make peace with their inner rebel. They get to know their inner rebel. They get to understand what their inner rebel wants. They have the conversations with their inner rebel. And that inner rebel, the sweetest is kung matame nila. Make sense?
Makes sense.
Oh, may sumagot. Client ko po yun eh. Meaning nyo, make sense. So, okay, are you getting me on this? Okay, number 3. Alignment factor. Now, how many of you realize this? Pag pumapasok po kayo sa closed network, okay, and you want to create value, what you need to do is to be in alignment with what they need. Okay? Oftentimes, okay, we are like, gustong-gusto natin yung hindi, kailangan nilang makita yung hindi nila nakikita. Sinito to? Hashtag guilty. Ano, Master Coach?
Hindi na ako tinawag.
Hindi ko natatawagan, di ba?
Kailangan niya. Alam ko kailangan niya.
Lagi ko sinasabi, give what they want, serve them with what they need. Give what they want, serve them with what they need. Diba? Gusto kong pumayat. Ayan, sinasabi sa mga fitness coach, diba? Gusto kong pumayat. How many of you realize? Mahirap pumayat. But that gusto kong pumayat is actually surface. Below that is they want to make peace with themselves. They want to accept themselves. They want their family to honor them. They want their spouses. Diba? Yun yung kailangan. So, ang tanong dyan, habang hindi pa pumapayat yung kliyente or nasa journey ng pagpayat yung kliyente, what do you give? What do you give? Kung business coach ka at yung kliyente mo on the road to recovery from bankruptcy, hindi pa siya, okay, nakaka-recover, ano yung meron sa kliyente mo? Ano yung gusto ng kliyente mo? If you are helping a client to build their business and the business is not yet established, ano yung gusto ng kliyente mo? Anong pwede mo ibigay sa kliyente? Okay. So, here at BCAP, one of the simple things that while our clients are waiting for their food, for their drinks, we give you this note. We started this from the very first day that we operated. And why do we give you the food? Why do we give you, before we give you the food, we give you the notes? Because we believe that you are here and your spirit and your soul needs nourishment as well. So, bago dumating yung laman tiyan, okay, there's something for you to think. There's something for you to come in terms of your anxiety. Sometimes yung mapahinto ka lang. So some of the notes here are questions. By the way, hindi po kami nagkamali doon. Questions talaga. So like ito, your most unnecessary daily ritual. Alam niyo to, note ni Master Coach ito sa sarili niya. Note para sa akin. Ang ganda ng tanong eh. Sabi dito, your most unnecessary daily ritual. Magtanong ng problema ng ibang tao. Oo, napaulit-ulit. Alam mo yung unnecessary kasi alam ko naman na inuulit ko pa rin. Tapos parang feeling ko magbabago pag inulit ko. Kaya nagbabago na ako eh. Oh, wag, guilty as charged. Oh, wag na, alam nyo to. Oh, kayo, tinan nyo. Makatingin. Oh, di ba? Yung bang unnecessary. Why do you keep asking? You know the answer, duh. O, tao lang po kasi si Master Coach A. May ganyan din po ako. Tapos tinan nyo, kinausap ako ng sarili kong notes. Your most unnecessary. Bakit nga ba nagtatanong ka pa? Alam mo naman yung sagot. Si Master Coach, okay lang ha, sasabihin ko. Kanya meron kaming GC. Nakakatuwa to si Master Coach Smith. Love ko naman to, friend ko to eh. Okay, pag napikon siya, edi bati pa rin naman kami mamaya. No, share ko lang ng konti. Sabi ni Master Coach Smith, ganda sabi niya talaga, if you care to share. Sabi ko, Master Coach, kung nag-care-share yan, edi nag-share na. Nakakatawa, di ba? Natawa ka.
Natawa rin ako sa sarili ko. Sabi na, wala pa lang nga silang ayaw pa rin.
You know, in our tribe, we celebrate but we don't tolerate. That's one thing with our tribe. There's no BS here. Okay. I have certified over 500 people. I've trained over 1,000 people. There are very few people who stays because there are very few people who can be true to themselves. And you know what? I don't go for numbers. I go for quality. Yeah. Nung nag-start po ako at hanggang ngayon, simple lang po ang pangarap ko, 10 super fans. So pag sumobra sa 10, sobrang bonus ka na. Simple lang po talaga akong tao. Kasi yung 10 super fans ko, bumibili ng produkto ko eh. Nagsishare ng mga content ko. Tapos nagsasabi sa akin ng thank you. Okay, yung email blast ko, marami po akong email. Yung email list ko, yung Substack ko, meron po yung 25,000 followers. Okay? Meron po akong 25,000 email list. Yan. Okay? So, pero naging sa 25,000 na yan, kahit isa, dalawa lang yung magsumagot at mag-thank you. Ganda. Pero yung walang sumagot, bakit? At hindi po ako ma-pride. Tinatanong ko yung mga super fans ko, hindi mo ba nagustuhan yung content ko? Ganyan. Oo, hindi ako ma-pride. Bakit ako nagtatanong? Kasi gusto ko talaga ng sagot. Kasi imagine mo, 10 super fans mo, tapos hindi nila nagustuhan yung content mo, ay mag-isip ka, huwag kang prideful. Make sense? Number 3, yan po yung tinatawag natin dito. Ay, number 4, ito po yung tinasabi kong reciprocity element. Okay? Huwag naman puro ikaw lang. Magbigay ka din. Oo, 'di ba? So, pag pumasok ka sa network, you know one thing that interesting, no? Pag pumupunta yung mga tao sa networking events, lahat sila gusto magbenta. Ayaw nilang mabentahan. Tama ba? Tama ba? Alam niyo kung bakit ako nagkakakliyente? Kasi pag pumunta ako ng networking event, buyer ako. I buy. Siyempre, di ba, pagka seller, ayaw tinatakbuhan. Lahat kayo seller eh. Pero pag buyer ka, lahat sila pumupunta sa'yo. Come on now, tama? Yeah. Pumunta ka sa networking, pumunta ka sa event, sa nandun lahat na nagbebenta ng kondo. Tapos nagbenta ka rin ng kondo. Ano mangyayari? Ano mangyayari? Kompetensya. Eh kung pumunta ka doon, hindi gusto ko bumili ng kondo unit eh. Anong gagawin? Di ba nagbebenta ka ng kondo? Bakit ka bibili ng kondo? Well, I'm looking for other properties. Ano mangyayari? So, lahat na nagbebenta, kaibigan mo. Does it make sense? I attend a lot of master classes, okay, internationally. Never ako nagbenta ng coaching program ko. Kaya yung mga classmates ko, gusto nila ako nagtitest ng mga produkto nila. And I'm welcome. I welcome it. Di ba? So, gusto ko nagtitest ako. So, naghahanap sila ng mga tao na magbibigay ng feedback sa kanila. And I'm known in my community if you are one of those, hi, hello, okay? So, just in case you're watching, okay, gusto nila ako binibigyan ng mga libreng access sa mga programs nila because they want a feedback. Is that making sense? Is that connecting with you? It's 12 midnight, so magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat, okay? So, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, smile po kayo, lahat tayo. O, yan, smile tayo. Walang nag-picture, pero gusto ko lang gawin nyo to. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, smile. Ayan. Okay? So, kung nanonood po kayo at naka-live po kayo, so try nyo rin po, 12 midnight, okay? So, ibig sabihin, you are investing in yourself at 12 midnight. Pwedeng tulog ka na, okay? Pwedeng nananaginip ka na, but you are choosing to invest in yourself, and that's something that you may want to celebrate at this moment in time. Okay? I'm gonna go on my fifth, which is proof component. Anong proof component? Anong ibig sabihin nun? Are you bringing something to the table na may proof? Na kaya mong panindigan? Na kayang i-validate? Kasi madalas, okay, when we enter, okay, yung mga tao pumunta sila sa community, parang sa amin, dami-dami nilang ino-offer sa amin. Ang dami-dami nagme-message sa akin. Tapos, ang dami-daming sinasabi. Like, for example, okay, somebody will message me and say, I'm gonna help you with your YouTube channel. I'm gonna help you with your social media content, blah, blah, blah. And then, pupuntahan ko yung FB niya. Mas marami pa akong followers. Diba? So, sa Substack, somebody will message me and say, I can message, kasi ako, I would write, okay, so if you are from my Substack, okay, please, okay, I'm not looking for a ghostwriter. I don't believe in ghostwriting. Okay, I want to write. So, my Substack is for my followers, my Substack is for my tribe. So, I'm not looking for a ghostwriter. But here's the thing, okay? So, some people would say, I noticed that you're not able to publish every day. So, I'd like to offer my service for you. And then, I go for social media, I check their Substack. There's no content. Doesn't make sense. There's no proof. Make sense? If you are offering your service, if you want to speak to our group, if you want to speak to our tribe, if you want to offer your product and services to our tribe, you know the first thing, the easiest way? Come and visit DCAP. Come and visit our home. Di ba? Parang ganito lang yun. Gusto mo akong ligawan. Di ba? Pag gusto, ligawan mo talaga yung babae sa bahay niya, hindi kung saan-saan. May bahay kami. This is the home of professional certified life coaches from Life Coach Philippines. You want our attention? Come over to our house. Think about it. Huwag sa messenger. Tama po ba? Bisitahin nyo kaya kami dito. Okay. You know one thing good? If you visit DCAP Coffee Republic, you will be able to meet veteran people, veteran coaches, senior coaches in the house. They've been with me for, ilang taon na kayo dito? 7. They've been here for 7 years. So, if you want the path to me, if you want the path to other coaches, usapin niyo yung mga medyo matatanda na dito, not in age, okay? But in the profession, they've been here for 7 years. They know the ins and out, the front, the side, the bottom, the future, and all of those things, right? Okay. So, what I wanted you to do now is this, okay? Think about your traditional networking approaches with strategic positioning, okay? Where you can do this in 5 steps, okay? So, don't worry if you are just like, ano ba ito gagawin, Master Coach? May toolkit po tayo, okay? So, again, this is a 30,000-foot view para kita ninyo. There are 5 phases and this comes in sequence, okay? 5 steps. Number 1 is the pre-contact positioning. How many of you is guilty? How many of you here is guilty, okay? Hindi ka pa nakaposisyon, umaatake ka agad dun sa network. Hindi ka pa mga posisyon, hindi pa nakaayos yung proof of the pudding mo, okay? So, wala pang lang. Wala. Oo. Pero nung like for example, if the-target ako ng mga doktor, pero hindi ko gagawin, si master coaches din yan pero hindi ko target yan, no? Pero kung ta-target ako ng mga doktor, I will make sure na may content ako about doctors, right? About patients. Tumarget ka ng doktor, pagpunta niya sa social media mo, pagpunta niya sa website mo, wala namang ka-doktor-doktor doon. Ano daw? Hindi naman sila coach. Yung mga tumatarget ng VA, I will write your content. I will make sure that you will be heard in the community. I will write blah, 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 blah. How can you do that? You're not a coach. You know, the best writer, the best VA for a coach is a coach. You know, one thing with our profession, you cannot watch us from afar and know that you have learned how to coach. It's just like you cannot watch a doctor do a surgery and say, hey, doctor, I'll do the surgery next. Yeah. You can write programs, sure, but to conduct the program is different. Okay, so first is pre-contact positioning. Step number two, phase 2 is initial contact framework. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Pag nag-connect ka dun sa network, nag-connect ka dun sa bridgeway, or nag-connect ka dun sa point person, or nagpakilala ka or nagparamdam ka, ano yung framework? Diba parang yung gusto mo manligaw, pinapanood mo, sinusubaybayan mo, sinusundan mo, then one day nagpakilala ka. Okay? Anong sumunod mong ginawa? Kinuha mo yung phone number. Para saan? So, pag hindi binigay yung phone number, tapos ka na. Tama? Tapos na lahat ng pagsunod mo sa kanya. Ibig sabihin, wala kang framework. Syempre, hindi ko ito share dito. Okay? So, pwede nyo tingnan yung toolkit. Pero ito, kay Coach Orby, lagi ko sinasabi to. Pag may tina-target ako, ang ginagawa ko dyan, kinakwadrahan ko. Alam mo yung kwadra? Babakuran mo. 4, wag 2, wag 3, 4. Kwadra. Postehan mo. Bakuran mo. Anong ibig sabihin nun? You make sure na nakahon mo. Hindi yung basta, hi, would you like some coaching? Hi, would you like some talks? Hi, would you like some package? No. How? In Life Coach Philippines, what we do? 3. What do? We train, we coach, and we help people build their tribes. We give you training. Listen, we didn't say we certify you. We say we train. It means you get certified, you get some training. I teach mental model, I do trauma master classes, I do writing, I do speaking, teaching. I train people. I coach. And the most important thing, I help my coaches build their tribe. They're part of my tribe, but I help them build their own tribe because their clients are not my clients. So it's a tripartite. In my personal service, in my personal professions, I do 3 things. Impact, income, influence. I make sure that the things that I do impacts people, not only today, but the next generations. I help people create an income not from any other source, but from their talents, from their skills, from their passion. Okay? So a lot of people would say, kapag ginawa mo yung passion mo, pag ginawa mo yung talents mo, pag ginawa mo yung mga hobby-hobby mo, wala kang pera. Tama? Okay, mali po yun. So, the one thing, the very first teachings or the very first course, flagship program that I have is Passion to Profit. Have a lot of people learn and have an entry to my space through the Passion to Profit. And what does it mean? Kung gusto po ninyo na maging matagumpay kayo, okay, ibig sabihin nun, ito po kasi yung marami. Ito yung passion, profit agad ang tinitingnan. Alam niyo po kung ano yung mali? Kasi ganito yung ginagawa. Okay, so i-recalibrate ko. Baka hindi mali. Pero sabihin ko sa'yo, medyo challenging. Most of the time, kung ito yung talent mo, ito yung profit, ang ginagawa mo, immediately, from your talent, from your passion, business agad. And you want the profit. Alam niyo po kung anong problema doon? Kasi pag hindi ka kumita agad, okay? Ano mangyayari? Bumibitaw ka. You know what? My path, okay, so, baka buksan ko ulit yung class na yan. My path is from your passion, yes, from your passion is you create the vision. May quadrant po yan, yung mga estudyante ko, di ba? May quadrant po yan. So, ayan, yung mga estudyante ko, di ba? May quadrant po yan. Si Coach Candy, maraming beses yan nag-try na matapos yung quadrant na yan. Okay? So, from your passion, okay, ano ba? Ano bang passion mo? Mag-create ng kape, o gumawa, mag-craft ng drinks. Actually, pag-create ng kape, hindi yan passion. Ang passion mo is crafting drinks. That's what? That blank. Alam niyo sa amin, dito sa DCAP, hindi talaga kami nagbebenta ng kape. Kung pupunta po kayo dito, yung mga drinks po namin nakakalunod, malalaki. Alam niyo po ba kung bakit? Kasi yung vision niyan, yan. No? So, from passion to vision, hindi lang po mawala ang uhaw mo. Dami pong nagbebenta dyan eh. Alam niyo po kung anong ibig sabihin nitong malalaking to? You will sit a little longer to have moment with yourself. That's DCAP. That's DCAP. You sit a little longer. Kasi pag konti ito, di ba? Pag lagok mo yan, takbo ka na. Diba? Kaya yung mga iba nagagalit, no? Yung iba medyo hindi sila masyado, diba? Parang pupunta sila sa counter. Ito yung bayad ko, akin na yung kape. Naku, hindi po talaga ganun si DCAP. Kasi po kami, people experience. What we sell is a space for you to come in peace with the things that you are not settled with. Kaya po kami may prayer wall, kaya po kami may mga white wall, may black wall, may mirror, kasi po ang binibenta namin talaga dito, space. Safe space para sa sarili mo. Dito sa DCAP, you can own a space for a cup of coffee. You can own a space for yourself for just buying a drink. Kaya yung serving malalaki, because we want you to stay a little longer. Hindi po kami fast food. Hindi rin po kami coffee on the go. Hindi kami, ano yung binibili natin dyan? Hindi, wag na, mapopromote ko pa sila. Pero ano nga yun? Pick up coffee. Okay, so hindi po kami ganon. Diba? Parang, ayoko ng pick up, bumibili kami ng pick up coffee, don't get me wrong. But what I'm saying is, to me, coffee is an experience. I want to enjoy my coffee. I want to enjoy my drinks. I want to enjoy my food. Okay? In a world that rushes through the days, I want something that can slow me down, think things through. And the most important thing and the most beautiful things in this cafe, in this coffee house, you have a name. You have a name. You have a name. And you have a relationship. We know you. Yan, si Melanie, di ba? So, pagdating ko pa lang kanina, Master, ano niyan? Matagal yan, dami na, di ba? We know you. When we take pictures of you, hindi po namin ginagamit yan para i-promote namin yung cafe. Hindi po. We are posting your pictures and I'm writing content for that because I want to say thank you for your presence. I want to say thank you for visiting us. Thank you for being part of our journey. Thank you for being part of our history. I don't know about you, but I want to build business that lasts. I want to build business that will be remembered even after I'm gone. Business na hindi ibibenta ng mga anak ko. Business na itutuloy nila. And if you are part of my tribe, you would have heard of me. Yes, sabi ko, I will take care of my tribe take care of my business take care of my children. Kaya po kami may tribe building. Okay? And that's exactly what I'm trying to tell you. Kaya yung mga katribo po namin dito, pag pumunta po kayo dito, iba-iba po kaming lahi. Para po kami United Colors of Benetton. Okay? So, may palangiti, may palatawa, may masungit. Okay? Kasi po bakit? Bakit? We don't judge people by their personality. We accept people by who they want to become. We accept people for who they want to be celebrated with. Are you getting me on this? Okay? So, pre-contact positioning, initial contact framework, okay? Value delivery, okay? Paano mo i-deliver yung value mo? Follow-up strategy, but this is the last, which is very important. Huwag kayo mag-alala, makukuha po ninyo to sa toolkit. The last is important. Access invitation trigger. Ano ibig sabihin nun? How do you make yourself invited? Well, pwede namang I invite myself tulad ni Coach Candy. But I think mas maganda yung people invite you. Okay, one of the things that I believe our tribe have accomplished is favorite po kami ng mga station, favorite kami ng media, okay? So our coaches are all over the place. We're always been invited and most of our coaches are subject matter experts at hindi po kami nag-a-apply. Hindi po kami nagbabayad, kami po yung iniimbita. Okay, sabi ni Master Coach Jasmine, kami pa yung tumatanggap mismo. Okay, now, here's where the problem happens, okay? Most of the time, you say, you are resistant, but I don't have anything to offer. Sinabi mo na ba yun? I don't have anything to offer in that network. I don't have anything to give. There's nothing in me na papansinin nila ako. Yes?
Yeah. Yes.
Tama po ba? Now, here's where coaching gets into the place. That very thing that you say you have nothing to offer is the very thing, seriously, that's getting in the way. Bakit? By virtue of design, every person created by God have a purpose. We are created for a purpose, for a territory, for a people, for a community. It means we were created to offer value. So the moment na sinabi mo, there's nothing you can offer, make peace with your identity in Christ. And you will see that God have given us so much gifts so that we can also bless other people. I think the biggest question here is, do you really want to be a blessing? Because if you decide that you want to be a blessing, whatever kind of networks that is closed will be open for you. You don't even have to do it. God will open it for you. Yeah. We will be sent to territories where the doors are closed. It will be open for us. We will receive the provision to open businesses. We will have the provisions from people who will grant us favor to be introduced. Okay? Everything will happen as if like magic, miraculously, because you are operating from the very gifts that the Creator have given to you. So as I close tonight, okay, this morning, I'd like to challenge you to look into your gifts and check your gifts and see what are the values you can create to the people you probably is missing out. You're not being missed out. You are missing out these people because you are just focused to the very people na nakikita mo. Why don't you open your eyes? Why don't you expand your thinking? Why don't you look into yourself and see what gifts can I use to bless other people that I'm not blessing today? Maybe your smile, maybe your craft, maybe your yes. No? May mga taong marinig lang yung yes mo, buhay na sila eh, diba? Maybe, okay, your cooking, whatever it is, that very gift will open the door for you. God said, no man is an island. Nabasa niyo ba yun sa Bible? Saan? Wala. Hindi na sinabi. Ang sabi, go out in there, make, to the ends of the earth. Anong ibig sabihin nun? We are sent to engage. We are sent to share our blessing. We are sent to share about Christ. And when we share about Christ, we are sharing the very gifts that He has given to us. Alright? So, I challenge you to rise up, take an inventory of your gifts, and start serving, be a blessing, and trust me, it will be an overflow for you. God bless everyone. This is Master Coach A. Love, bam, boom. Love Bam Boom, Love Bam Boom. Good morning, everyone. See you next Thursday.